ass for chow me. Call me gay, but your dad texts me, hey. This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name not lightning, but I still am a queen. I go to Panda just to ask for chow me. Call me gay, but your dad.
How I make these black things there are very hard to make. I'm gonna show you how hard those are to make. Continue. Because I just did it.
This ain't a race.
I'm not gonna
This
do
ain't
it.
a race.
For example.
This ain't a race, but first place.
Wait, no. Wait, that's what that's no. No, that's what I can do. But what he is.
This ain't a race, but I
don't really do that, but a bad.
Still take first place.
I'm not gonna figure that out. But I don't want Grammarly. That means I do mean Grammarly, but I don't want Grammarly at the same time. Okay. How come the downstairs ones can get up? I'm just looking at my mom's lamp, and this thing just needs to get off. So yeah. Boy, he is a bad boy. Really?
Take your man just to shove it in your face.
So this isn't really a song, but like yeah. We good. Thanks. But she don't put it all together. She be like, yeah. So like, and you have to put like separate. It can't be like three. So yeah. We are.
Panda just to ask a child. Call me gay, but your dad texts me, hey.
Hey. Good.
This ain't a race, but I still take first place.
Oh, and the thing is that when she does it, she has to go like, look. Cause then we don't like, cause she pops it up, and then like, yeah, so like, yeah. Look, it will make more sense.
This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name.
But she's way faster than this, okay? This is just a random song, but this is one of the ones I saw.
This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name not lightning, but I still am a queen. I go to Panda just to ask for chow me. Call me gay, but your dad texts me, hey. This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name not lightning, but I still am a queen. I go to Panda just to ask for chow me. Call me gay, but your dad texts me, hey. This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Take your man just to shove it in your face. My name not lightning, but I still am a queen. I go to Panda just to ask for chow me. Call me gay, but your dad texts me, hey. This ain't a race, but I still take first place.